Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're going to tackle those super tempting online gadget stores. You know the ones, right? Sleek websites, amazing deals.
Exactly. And our mission today is to look at one specific site. They're promising like 30% off everything, free shipping, 30 days back. And the really big one, a lifetime warranty. We need to see if that holds up.
Yeah, those specifics really pull you in. They've got this gadget, apparently $184 normally, down to just $94. I mean, who wouldn't click on that?
Right. But that's the first big problem. We call it the trust mismatch. You've got this promise of like premium quality and lifetime support.
Uh-huh.
But it's built on, well, almost nothing.
How thin are we talking? Like, what did the investigation find?
Okay, get this. The website domain. Registered just days ago.
Days. Wow, for a lifetime warranty.
Exactly. Now, some automated tools might give it a score, maybe, 64 out of 100 or something. But honestly, that score means very little when the whole operation just popped up.
Okay, so they're hoping that huge discount makes us ignore the lack of history. Let's talk about that discount then, the discount illusion. That $184 crossed out, $94 now. It feels like a steal.
And that feeling, it's
Yeah.
totally manufactured. The investigator looked hard. Was that $184 price ever real?
Yeah.
And found zero. Like no credible records, no other stores selling it at that price, nothing.
So, wait, they just made up the original price just to make the $94 look amazing.
Pretty much. The discount is basically an illusion.
Mm-hmm.
And if they're faking the price,
Yeah.
well, what else are they faking?
Okay, yeah, suddenly that lifetime warranty feels pretty shaky. Did the investigation find anything solid backing it up, or just more voids?
Oh, yeah. Voids everywhere you'd expect transparency. First off, good luck finding any real independent reviews, anything outside their own website.
Right.
Then there's no visible business registration, no info on the manufacturer. You try to find out about customer support. All you get are these really generic policies.
Generic doesn't cut it when lifetime warranty is splashed everywhere, does it? Was there any fine print, any actual document explaining it?
Nope. Nothing detailed. It's mentioned, sure, big and bold, but no actual warranty document, no way to register your product with a serial number, no process for making a claim years later. It's just marketing fluff.
Wow. Okay. And wasn't there something about the bestsellers, too?
Ah, yes. That was telling. The investigator noted that the bestsellers section, every single item was listed as out of stock, repeatedly.
So fake inventory to make it look popular or create pressure.
Seems very likely, yeah.
Yeah.
It suggests they might not even track stock properly. Maybe it's just more marketing to push you to buy now.
Okay, so putting all this together, what's the final verdict on a store like this?
The verdict is, it's highly risky.
Yeah.
It functions much more like a slick marketing campaign than a reliable retailer. You might actually receive the gadget for $94, sure.
Mm-hmm.
But the value proposition, the warranty, the brand itself, it's all incredibly questionable, built on almost zero history or verifiable support.
Right. So the advice for you listening is pretty straightforward then. If you're tempted by these deals, you need to be okay with getting a product that has, like, no real brand history behind it and probably next to no support if something goes wrong.
That sums it up perfectly. The brand new domain, the made-up original price, the completely missing warranty details, these are huge red flags, even if some automated tool gives it a half-decent score.
Which leaves us with a final thought for you. If a company can just invent an original price that easily just to make a sale look better, what does that say about their other big promises, like that amazing lifetime warranty? Maybe it's all just marketing smoke. Keep questioning.